Hello and welcome to
Four.
2.
Hey, yes, I know. It's on the wrong channel, no, Sama? I think so. What do you call Neville a podcast which the internet is not like particularly impressed with?
Internet says so.
No, it's the internet. No, close. But I was like, the internet said so.
Nice. Packaging.
Yes.
इधर
इधर
आएगा.
आएगा.
Anyway, hello and welcome to the Internet Said So, a show where we take random, interesting, shocking, weird, absurd facts and we talk about it. And
Yes.
to talk about them with us today, we have Azim Banatwala.
On public request, huh? Public request.
Public
सुनता है हम लोग.
request because
Actually, I
obviously you guys
requested.
know that
No,
they
no.
do this football podcast called 442, which is doing really well. One of the only few football podcasts I've heard.
Yeah, the only football
The
podcast
only football
in India
podcast
of,
in India.
of consequence.
Of consequence.
consequence.
एक और है लेकिन. Yeah.
और अभी हम हिट क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन करने के लिए लाए हैं इन दोनों को. Baba, welcome back. The only way Baba will come for the shoot is if he's shooting 442 also.
Bro, the number of comments that have said कि बाबा 442 पे ज्यादा आता है और इधर कम आता है.
हाँ, because वहाँ पे मतलब हम लोग को चॉइस नहीं है.
Yeah, there's no one to replace.
अगर बाबा नहीं आया तो फिर अजीम है सिर्फ.
फिर 441 है.
It's like Neville Barucha को लेकर. Wrong Neville. Neville Timbadia. क्या हो रहा है?
हम लोग एक कंसिस्टेंट गैग करता है. अजीम का आइडिया था. काफी अमेजिंग गैग. तो कौतुक ने किताब लिखा है रेड कार्ड. प्लग करने का जल्दी कर.
हाँ क्यों नहीं?
वो अच्छा लेके बैठा है वो.
हम लोगों ने हर अलग अलग एपिसोड में रिलेशनशिप एपिसोड में भी रेड कार्ड, फुटबॉल
हम लोग का गैग क्या है मालूम है?
नहीं करो देखो भाई, खरीदो बुक अमेज़न पे है. जेके रावलिंग से ऊपर थी 4 सेकंड के लिए. फिर कौतुक ने जेके रावलिंग खरीदा, फिर वो सेकंड हो गई. बट कांग्रेचुलेशंस, इट्स अ बुक अबाउट फुटबॉल.
Also, Varun thinks J.K. Rowling is a book. So,
Written by
It's
Harry
not.
Potter.
इट्स नॉट अ बुक.
okay. So, गैग ये है कि हम लोग हर एपिसोड जब भी हम लोग एक एपिसोड में पीछे बुक्स रहता है, ठीक है? तो बुक्स में रेड कार्ड रहता है. फिर 3 एपिसोड के लिए रेड कार्ड नहीं है. फिर हम लोग चौथे
suspended है.
एपिसोड में वापस लेकर था क्योंकि सस्पेंडेड.
Such a great gag that is. fun.
और ये किसी को सूझा नहीं, ये सिर्फ हम लोग के किक्स के लिए. तो हम लोग ने यहाँ पे
क्या प्रमोशन
हम लोग का
किया है
है,
तेरे
yeah.
बुक का.
रिवील.
It's so
बाप.
good that the sales haven't gone up.
Yeah, हम लोग का एडिटर एक्चुअली रिमाइंड्स अस कि ब्रो अभी सेकंड
लास्ट एपिसोड
हो गया है तो आज तक नहीं 3 मैच सस्पेंशन. दिस वाज ये
Straight red.
2 फुटेड टैकल था. स्ट्रेट रेड.
Straight red.
ये 2 येलो कार्ड्स वाला नहीं था.
No, so
Are you
obviously-
planning to write a book called Yellow Card?
No,
Then we
the
can keep 2
prequel,
of
right? The
those.
prequel, yeah.
We can keep like 2 of them.
So anyway, the topic of today's episode is football.
What
now
is
we
What
have
a coincidence.
we have 3 football fanatics and you have a fair weather fan. ठीक है.
correct.
मैं जो टीम जीत रहा है उसको सपोर्ट कर.
फ्लॉइड मेवेदर.
हाँ वही बाबा.
अरे
Which football team you support? Floyd Mayweather.
Yeah, but coming from the guy who thinks J.K. Rowling is a book is
Yeah. Floyd Mayweather is not a sport that 100 countries play. Whatever. Anyway, my thing is I am a football fan, but not all the
You're
time.
a fan of the game.
Yeah, I'm a fan of the game, but like in the sense कि तू मुझे पूछेगा कि यूनाइटेड का फर्ग्यूसन के पहले मैनेजर कौन था तो मैं बोलूँगा मुझे नहीं मालूम.
ये मेरे को भी सी ऑनेस्टली मेरे को भी ऐसा इन डेप्थ नहीं है और ये
Actually,
बहुत
मेरे को भी
रोज-
पता नहीं है.
तू
रोज
ये बोल
point
मत
out
कि
होता है.
तू फुटबॉल पॉडकास्ट करता है.
नहीं बट
नहीं, but
रोज
the-
पॉइंट आउट होता है हम लोग का
नहीं, हम
फैक्ट
लोग का
चेकर्स.
लॉग लाइन ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट इज दैट वी डू द पॉडकास्ट व्हाइल फाइंडिंग आउट थिंग्स दैट वी डिडंट नो. तो हम लोग रिसर्च करता है लाइव.
nice.
तो ठीक है, you know, we can't start a football podcast without knowing
बॉबी चार्ल्टन था ना.
नहीं आई डोंट रिमेंबर. कोई तो
अरे हमेशा पूछते हैं ब्रो, किसी को याद नहीं है कि एलेक्स फर्ग्यूसन के पहले कौन था कोच.
टेल अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ
Yeah.
442. हाँ.
No, but we can begin with talking about our allegiances to different football clubs. So everybody already knows yours, लेकिन फिर वापस बोल दे.
आई एम अ चेल्सी फैन. यस.
I am a Manchester United fan.
We're
and
both Manchester
Crew
United
Alexandra fan. From League
Oh,
2.
by that logic, then I'm also an MK Dons fan.
Yes.
Oh, we have one good and one fuck all.
No,
about
no.
that.
So we have a soft corner team in the Premier League, but this is Crew Alexandra and MK Dons is football manager. We manage those teams
Okay.
in football. manager.
Fair.
Okay.
मेरा
और तेरा?
है मेरा है रियल मैड्रिड.
Okay.
तो मेरे को पहले हमेशा लगता था कि जिधर रोनाल्डो उधर तू, वैसा नहीं है. तू genuinely हाला मैड्रिड.
I became हाला मैड्रिड because of Beckham. So back in the day, that's when I became चल ये भी
Victoria.
support करता हूँ.
So when did you
Victoria
become
Beckham.
LA Galaxy?
LA Galaxy meaning यार टाइमिंग्स इतना फकॉल था उसका मैचेस का. Like, I was like, यार, I like you, but there are limits. Like,
फर्स्ट फुटबॉल मैच कभी देखा लाइफ में, याद है कुछ है? अर्लीस्ट मेमोरी ऑफ फुटबॉल तेरा, वॉचिंग और प्लेइंग?
Watching, हाँ, watching was I think मेरा कुछ तो 99 में.
ये बॉय सब
99.
सारे यूनाइटेड वहां से आते हैं.
99.
the treble
99 में,
season,
हाँ,
right?
हाँ, treble season. Just वो मैं सेमीफाइनल देखा against Juventus जहाँ पे वो comeback हुआ from 2-0 to 3-2.
हाँ, मेरे को याद नहीं है
2-0
लेकिन
to
मैं हाँ
3-2 नहीं, हम लोग हाँ, I think we were 1-0 down or 2-0 down and then हाँ 3-2 हो
In
गया.
Fergie time.
नहीं, वो रॉय कीन जाके एक मस्त हेडर
Roy
मारा,
Keane, that's right,
which is the
But no,
ultimate Roy
I'm saying
Keane
like
moment.
Fergie time or like
हाँ, Fergie time.
In Fergie time ना, हाँ okay.
अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करो फॉर द अनइनिशिएटेड फर्गी टाइम क्या होता है, क्योंकि अभी उनको सोल्जर टाइम मालूम है जो है कि नो गोल्स.
Fergie time is basically जब भी फर्गसन जब तक रेन में था ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड पे, अगर यूनाइटेड डाउन है ना तो उन लोग को 7 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा टाइम एट द एंड ऑफ द 90th मिनट, 12 मिनट
और
एक्स्ट्रा,
गोल मार देगा ये.
और मारेगा, ऑलवेज गोल मारेगा.
so it's called Fergie
Fergie
time.
time. And Solskjaer time is अभी हम लोग को मैच में 1 minute stoppage time मिलता है because रेफरी को भी पता है ये लोग नहीं
नहीं
मारेंगे.
मारेगा.
Also Solskjaer time is बस कर, जल्दी गेम खत्म.
Yeah, it's just खराब time चल रहा है. Basically, that's what it.
But weirdly enough, Fergie time का actual thing started with Solskjaer scoring the goal
That's
in
right.
the 99 final.
Super sub.
Yeah.
Super sub.
2 goals in
So
stoppage
your
time.
earliest memory is 99, right?
99,
मेरा भी सेम था. मेरा दोस्त लोग तभी बैठ के देख रहा था. They were full. मैं full cricket fan है, ठीक
हाँ,
है?
of course.
तू
Cricket fan.
फुटबॉल में किसको सपोर्ट करता है? इंडिया को, वैसा वाला. लेकिन नहीं, इंडिया को नहीं करता क्योंकि 190 अपन, but please
नहीं
play
नहीं
well.
नहीं, अभी above 100.
अभी above 100, ठीक
लग
है?
रहा है.
I don't mean to
95
demean the
है,
Indian team.
95 है अभी.
95 है हम लोग.
I'm just trying to say कि मैं बहुत क्रिकेट देखता था, फुटबॉल
Sure.
नहीं देखता था. तो पब्लिक देख रहा, तो उनके साथ बैठ के मैच देखा. वो टाइम पे द वे यूनाइटेड वाज प्लेइंग,
हाँ.
तो मेरे को पता है लाल ब्लू का जो भी है, लाल वाली टीम,
लाल वाली टीम.
फिर सब लाल वाली टीम के मैच देखने लगे. फिर अरे यूनाइटेड है तू, अरे यूनाइटेड. उसके बाद फिर इट बिकेम अ थिंग, हे व्हिच फुटबॉल क्लब डू यू सपोर्ट? यूनाइटेड.
लाल वाला.
जो बिगनिंग में था, बिगनिंग में बराबर था, फिर एक टाइम में यूनाइटेड. ये कब से शिफ्ट हुआ तुम लोगों को देखते वक्त?
हाँ, but that became a thing after
It's like now
No,
how there are
no.
Tottenham
So-
fans and you look at them and you're like, how you were Tottenham
No,
fans?
but after Arsenal's resurgence started.
Exactly, exactly.
After
No,
like
because there
2000,
was-
2001.
No,
Because there
man,
was a phase, what, 20? How many did we win? 20? 19?
20.
20, right? So for अगर तू 20 बैक टू बैक जीता है तो by default you'll have people saying हाँ तू तो जो ज्यादा जीतने वाले हैं, उन लोग को ही सपोर्ट करता है.
हाँ, but it wasn't back to back, but it's just they were always first, second, third, first,
Correct.
second,
But
third, always
also
third.
the thing is, I don't have a problem with that theory. I mean, even when we look down the noses of like Manchester City fans, एक बंदा आया था कुछ तो एक कॉफी शॉप में केन का जर्सी पहन के आया था ब्रो.
course.
मैं बोला क्या लर्नड आदमी है
course.
तू. But I'm saying like in all honesty, the guy is probably 17, 18 and he's started watching football,
Correct.
you know, when Pochettino was doing well with Tottenham. And so it's not his fault really. I mean, because हम लोग भी, मैं भी ऐसा रेनेरी के टाइम पे ही चेल्सी फैन
Bro, there
बना
are
ना.
Leeds United fans.
हाँ,
Yeah, because
who's
there are
fucking
who have
topping
seen
the league
from
by the way.
Yeah, but they're from Leeds.
Yeah, no.
No,
from Kanpur.
Arvind Aise is a Leeds United fan.
No, and
क्या
bro,
बात कर रहा
so
है?
Leeds
proper
was
Leeds fan.
in the league.
Yeah.
And they were doing really well. They had
I
Rio
still remember
Ferdinand.
that full team. Yeah, that was legend. Wolves of, as I've said in the
They all
forward
got
I've
picked
mentioned
off,
this.
no, one by
No, so
one.
I remember कि मैं Leeds United को 2000 फुटबॉल मैनेजर 2011 में लिया.
Yeah.
And just for the fuck of it, मैं सब old Leeds
players.
players को खरीद लिया, just reunion करने के लिए.
कौन लिया तू?
हम लोग हारा, relegate हो गया,
अरे।
but reunion चल रहा था.
अच्छा, just to explain, अजीम कोच नहीं है लीड्स का,
नहीं,
ये
actually-
फुटबॉल मैनेजर मोड पे खेल रहा है.
मैं actually football coach भी
एक्चुअली
है.
फुटबॉल मैनेजर है रूट्स प्रीमियर लीग में.
अरे हाँ,
manager.
लीड्स का नहीं है ना, लेकिन
हाँ,
इसी में
Leeds का
वो
नहीं
बोल
है.
रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, just one internet fact I'll give you. We've mentioned
Now
it
that
once,
we-
but this is an interesting fact, which is that there have been 2 or 3 successful people who have played football manager so consistently and so well that they've submitted their like thing to
Actual football
to
clubs.
actual football
Oh, wow,
clubs
really?
and have gotten hired. There was one rumor, I don't know if it's a rumor or a reality, but they said that Solskjaer also played a lot of football manager.
हाँ, because a lot of people, so like David Moyes, I remember जो Everton का, I mean, and miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous
I
man.
still like I've blocked out his Manchester United from my
Oh, can
brain.
I-
I
can I-
straight up go and say Everton.
Can I tell you one anecdote I never forget about David Moyes? Okay, in his time in Manchester United, towards the end, okay, one of the reasons they gave for sacking Moyes was that they came back from a defeat. Okay, they were flying back, and Moyes is sitting in the flight reading a book called Good to Great.
Wow. Actually,
It's a management.
he came
book.
right after Fergie, right?
Yeah, right after.
Right
that.
after. So big shoes to fill.
Big shoes to fill, and but imagine.
LVG नहीं आया था क्या?
नहीं,
उसके
Moyes
बाद-
था ना,
उसके
that
बाद-
dark period of our
that-
life in
So,
the middle.
and
Interim period जैसे 6 महीने के लिए, 3 महीने के लिए कुछ.
वो I
बहुत-
think he got sacked mid-season. Then Giggs
Yeah.
came and managed the
Yeah,
last
for
4
some
games.
time.
हाँ.
And the thing was that it was a it was a really nice signing because they were like, one Scotsman leaves and another Scotsman comes in, and you're like, oh, we're just going to continue with
हाँ, this is the heir apparent.
the heir apparent.
तो फिर डेविड मॉयस ने खेला नहीं ना मैनेजर मोड.
नहीं, you were saying about David
David
Moyes.
Moyes, he used to actually use the Football Manager database for scouting players that he was signing at Everton.
But that's not a bad idea because
Yeah.
that database is insane. If you play Football Manager on full mode, तेरा आधा hard drive चला जाएगा. Because that database is mad. Real scouts use that database.
But imagine like telling your scout, buddy, ये game में ना ये जो ये लाके दे मेरे को ये.
Yeah, it's true.
let's
मेरे को
look
याद है
at some facts that we found.
मेरे को याद है मैं फुटबॉल मैनेजर कुछ आई थिंक 4-5 सीजन पहले जो खेल रहा था तो मैंने कैपा को चेल्सी में लिया था तब भी.
Oh really?
हाँ, correct. Even I've had a few of these when I was like, yes, ये same player मैंने लिया है.
Actually हुआ वो.
हाँ.
So it's great.
Did you predict the Caballero though?
No, I did not predict Caballero. I also didn't predict this season, and I didn't predict that Zuma.
Arey, so by the way, in my Football Manager current save, Manchester United,
I was taking it personally.
in the next season, मतलब इसके बाद वाला season, Liverpool is 5th.
Oh.
Manchester United is top right
Oh.
now. And we've signed some 17 players.
Again on manager mode.
Yeah, on manager mode. कैसा player? So they got Dries Mertens, Danny Olmo, they got some Lucas Vasquez,
अच्छा ये सब
random Sandro Tonali. ऐसा सुना ही नहीं है कभी ये लोग. But सब
नहीं
लोग
टोनाली
करते हैं.
सुना है मैंने अभी
अच्छा
recently.
हाँ, because तू Spanish football देखता है ना?
नहीं, he's in what do you call it? He's in Italy.
हाँ, Italy. हाँ, because of
Same.
Same.
But also, one of the things I realized, a lot of people started supporting Manchester United because वो time पे Beckham का
Beckham's
great,
का
yeah.
after World Cup वाला scene हुआ था ना, where he got the red card and everyone
Yeah.
was like, oh my god, he's so cute and all
And
that.
also like early stages of Ronaldo, bro.
Early Ronaldo still started 2002.
No,
much.
2003.
Yeah, no, but like 99 के बाद there 2003-4 he started.
3-4.
3-4 no?
3-4, हाँ.
So like even going in then अभी 2003-4 में मतलब I just finished 10th standard. So that's your prime age of saying तू किसको support करता है and all of that. वो time पे Ronaldo kill करते
no,
जा
you
रहे थे.
just
just
before
started,
that.
no,
No,
he
in fact,
started.
he started 3 years. He was quite rubbish.
Yeah.
No, so 2000 when did
वो
he? I
Sporting
thought when you
Lisbon से
said
जब
performing
आया-
मतलब वो 2003-4 में उसका अच्छा track शुरू हो गया था.
No,
Because
he
he was
just
taken
signed
from
there. Sporting Lisbon से they signed him.
Signed
So
him.
that was the story where he ruined all the defenders' lives so much in the game where United played against Sporting
कि
Lisbon.
खरीद लिया.
Yeah.
Where all the players went to Ferguson and said, please sign him.
Bayern Munich strategy.
The players said कि इसको लेके आओ. And again, as kids who didn't know much about football, हम लोग सब स्कूल में खुश because हम लोग को लगा रोनाल्डो आ रहा है मैचेस्टर
Right.
यूनाइटेड.
हाँ,
But
लेकिन
not
वो वाला
रोनाल्डो
रोनाल्डो
नहीं. फिर मैं देखा ये कौन छूता है बाल से नूडल्स निकल रहे क्या है?
Oh yeah, that was the noodle I cut.
The year they signed Nani Anderson. I thought it was one player. It's one guy.
और हम लोग को तभी न्यूज भी लेट आता था ना क्योंकि ऐसा न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ने को मिलता था या फिर वो स्पोर्ट्स स्टार मैगजीन
Yeah,
आता था
yeah.
तभी तो उधर ही पढ़ने को
Oh,
मिलता
bro,
था.
you know, one of the good, like, as a football fan, one of the heartening things to see is that Times of India ka coverage used to be 2 columns, okay, just on the side, and now it's like a full page every single day.
Proper है bro पूरा
अभी मस्त
analysis
है.
से लेके comment
Because वहाँ पे
expert
I
opinion
remember if
सब
you
आ रहा
missed a match, there was no way to as a
There
Hotstar
was-
पे मतलब नहीं देख सकता highlights. You have to search in the TV schedule किधर आने वाला है. अच्छा 3 AM तुम्हें अलार्म
Hey,
लगा
do you
के
guys
देखेगा.
remember-
फिर पता चलेगा कोई क्रिकेट मैच न्यूजीलैंड वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया
Oh,
लगा
yeah, that's right, that's right.
They just switched programming. हाँ,
Do
sorry.
you remember Sports Center? With,
Yeah,
Of course.
yeah.
with
Sports Center मजा
Shabby
आता
Singh and yeah. John Dykes.
Oh God, Shabby Singh, I still
जॉन डाइक्स इतना मल्टी फैसेटेड है ना क्योंकि वो उधर आके फुटबॉल की बात करेगा फिर जाके क्रिकेट की बात करेगा
वो सेम स्टूडियो में बैठा है
Ball
सिर्फ
भी
ऐसा
देख
कुर्सी बदलते रहता है उसका.
जैसे सलमान खान पिक्चर शूट करता है वांटेड दबंग रेडी दबंग वांटेड रेडी
और जॉन डाइक्स क्या आदमी वो मतलब आइडल है मेरा लाइफ में.
John
मेरा-
Dykes.
हाँ, मेरा वो जॉन डाइक्स बनने का है बड़ा बन के.
देख सब लोग यही बोलते हैं कोई ये नहीं बोलते मुझे चारू शर्मा बनना है
Yeah.
और तो वो भी काफी मल्टी फैसेटेड
Yeah. Or
चारू
और
शर्मा
नोवी
का, I
कपाडिया.
just remember like the chest hair growing and growing throughout his career. That's
You
all.
remember
Like
Novi
the
Kapadia
buttons.
also, who knows all sports. He was the DD regular commentator.
They still get him for the World Cup ka coverage.
Probably has to.
They still get him.
So, हाँ बोलो.
All right.
Let's do some facts from the internet.
okay, okay. Do you guys know where the largest stadium, seating capacity wise,
I know this.
is?
कटार
No.
No, no.
बन रहा है ना?
I know this. I know
No,
this.
it's in a very unexpected
Eden
place.
Gardens
It's Salt Lake City.
No,
No,
it's
no.
not.
Lake
Well, it's a
City.
good guess. Good
It's,
guess.
it's North
Or
Korea.
it's in
It's North Korea.
North Korea हुआ.
North Korea.
Yeah.
अच्छा हाँ, because over there वो पूरा population को propaganda देना होता है.
That's right.
Not just propaganda. उधर if you are if you want political prisoners, then come. No, fucking.
उधर स्पेयर टाइम में उन्हें उधर टैंक वैंक भी उधर ही रखते हैं
हाँ ऐसा.
उधर खेलते हैं क्या लेकिन
Kim
सिवाय
Jong-
नॉर्थ कोरिया के कोई खेल रहा है उधर
Kim Jong Un
North
खेलता है
Korea
उधर अकेला.
has a team, no?
या but देखो आउट टू प्ले
नहीं, but
एनीबडी
वो वहाँ
कमिंग
पे-
टू नॉर्थ कोरिया
नहीं,
टू प्ले
They only participate for
He
sure.
must
No,
be
but
having the assassinations are all over there. So goal post mein uncle ko fire kar diya missile launcher.
You know
he's
the-
actually done that. Na, he executed one relative of his by firing a missile at him. I'm not
Firing a
kidding.
missile at him?
Yeah, straight. He got like
उन
one
ने की
anti.
नया वाला है
No, Kim Jong Un.
okay.
Anti-artillery gun के साथ he fired it at his.
और ये इसको भागने का टाइम
नहीं,
मिला
कुछ
कैसे
नहीं, tied-
मार रहे कुछ नहीं
tied
इसको
up
पकड़ के रखा है ओफ
Mother, can you imagine?
wow
fucking
dude
That's the power.
talk
So-
about a missile shot
इसलिए तो चाहिए स्टेडियम सब लोग ये देखने आते हैं ना ग्लैडिएटर
और फिर उधर रवि शास्त्री
Are you not entertained?
yeah that went like a tracer bullet sir rocket
Sorry, that was a tracer bullet. Sorry.
You know, I heard one rumor about North Korea, which was they go outside, they play these teams, right, and they lose because they're a
of
shit
course.
side.
they get executed
No, but back home, because it's a
हाँ, they
state-owned
tell them
propaganda.
कि तुम लोग वर्ल्ड कप जीत
और
के आ
जीत
गए
गए
हैं।
हाँ
2-0,
वैसे तो उन्होंने
4-0
पब्लिक को उधर भी भेजा है नॉर्थ कोरिया सेंड पीपल टू द मून वून सब भेज
But the
दिया
question is, why are you sending this team out? Just put the fucking press release.
या नहीं थोड़ा दिखाना चाहिए ना एयरपोर्ट पे फोटो ये वो लगना तो चाहिए
Make fictional
अरे तो
people.
एयरपोर्ट बनाओ मतलब पूरा सेट तो वैसे भी ट्रूमन शो है
ये तो
पूरा नॉर्थ
वैग
कोरिया
द डॉग हो गया वैग द डॉग
हाँ चल एक और कुछ फैक्ट बोल
All right, so this is such a fucking weird fact. Okay, so the word soccer was originally widely used British slang for association football, and
Yeah.
soccer is
Ah,
a
okay.
sock. That
Oh, I thought it was for domestic abuse.
Vinnie Jones. And it didn't become common in America until they learned it from the British during World War II. It didn't become unpopular in the UK until the 80s, and it was a direct response to Americans saying the word soccer.
साखर
Soccer.
It's so annoying though.
Yeah, bro.
Like if you go to the US उधर तू फुटबॉल की बात कर रहा है उन लोगों को तो अमेरिकन फुटबॉल लगता है जिसमें आधा टाइम तो बॉल हाथ में
हाथ में यार.
उन लोग एक बार एंड में किक करते हैं वो भी कभी कभी नहीं करते
हाँ, and I don't understand. वो उन लोग को point मिलता है, but they call it a try.
या
I've
मतलब
never
बहुत
understood कि मैं
ambition
try
बहुत
किया.
कम है।
because so I know American football but
अच्छा हाँ
Oh, that was said in a
Yes.
wonderful way. Huh?
Where do you read about it in your
Super
Michelin
Bowl-
star restaurant?
No, fuck, I was there na. So I also no. The thing is, they get like you have to cross 10 yards. You have 3 tries, 3 attempts to do it.
cross 10 yards.
हाँ, 10 yards, and then उसके अंदर ये सब होता है तो वो सब मजा है.
They should just call it ball क्योंकि उसके साथ क्या
Ball भी नहीं है
Handball.
वो.
वहाँ बॉल भी नहीं है
Oblong. It's oblong.
an oval shaped object
Yeah,
Leather.
called hand oval. It should be called hand oval.
You know what's the maximum number of red cards received by a single player?
ये Scholes हो सकता है?
No,
No.
no.
Sergio Ramos.
चल हिंट दे हिंट
He's
Yeah.
number 3. He's number 3.
Sergio Ramos is number 3.
He's number 3, and his tally is at 24. 24 red cards.
And the first guy is
The first
The
guy
second कौन
is
है?
called Bedoya. Okay, his name
कौन?
is
Bedoya?
Yeah, he's a Colombian player,
Okay.
and he's got 46.
Wow.
Red
ये
cards.
गन लेके आ रहा है क्या free
Yeah, if he didn't get straight into the cartel after this, like it's a
Redoya,
fucking
why didn't they call him Redoya?
nice.
Bedoya.
Who was second
Second was the guy. Second, I don't know. He also got 27. This guy's at Ramos is at 24.
Of course.
And Vinnie Jones is at 11. Surprisingly.
Wow. Scholes
at 11
Scholes नहीं है.
Scholes list में ही नहीं है. ये कैसा
Goals को
होगा?
मतलब ऐसा 8
ये लिस्ट कोल्स ने बनाया है ब्रो
No, but this guy Bedoya was a defensive midfielder who played for the Colombian national team. He was in the World Cup winning side. No, not World Cup playing side. He won the Copa America. So he's not like a chutia player. He's not like a fringe second division में red card लेके fuck off हो गया.
मतलब वो take one for the team type player है.
Yeah, he was a fucking legit dude.
But do you know how many were like direct red cards and how many were just like yellow?
उतना breakup तो chance ही नहीं है.
I don't think.
अच्छा मेरे को एक बात बताओ थोड़ा पर्सनल स्टोरीज भी करते हैं तो तभी तक दूसरे फैक्ट्स ढूंढ लेना सो व्हाट इज दैट वन लाइक फुटबॉल वाचिंग मेमोरी दैट यू रिमेंबर सम astounding feat of football that you have witnessed live not necessarily in the stadium but like
I
watching
think
it
one of
live
the
on TV
craziest was like last season only वो जो 2 Champions League का semi-final the
Oh,
Spurs
yeah, the
versus
turnarounds.
City वाला जो game था I think that was probably the
क्या हुआ
craziest.
उसमें
The
3-2.
return leg.
3-0, right? It was.
हाँ, so I think they were 3-0. वो कुछ तो last minute extra. I don't. वो
Lucas
VAR
Moura.
से last minute में goal rule out हो गया. I think
Okay.
that's what it was. Where literally वो 1 inch से offside था.
Oh,
and they have gone. They've celebrated because वो away goals के हिसाब से that was the goal that's taking them through.
City through.
correct
And वो लोग सब पागल हो रहा है, शर्ट वर्ट निकाल दिया है, नाच रहा है, वो लोग गाड़ी वाला साइड में नाच रहा है, and then VAR no goal. it
oh wow
was
even
4 all
the-
on aggregate or something like
Correct.
that.
Even the
Liverpool, Barcelona.
Barcelona.
No, that was
reverse
intense,
leg.
yeah.
ये mad dude.
हाँ जो when they came back from nil ना
3-0. हाँ.
3-0 down.
3-0 और 4-3 या कुछ तो जीते ना
5 something.
No.
No, 4-3 या कुछ
then
जीते.
4-1.
Because even the second leg they were drawn, I think, on away goal.
No, buddy. Oh fuck! It was 4-0 in Barcelona, and then they scored 4.
No, I think 3-0
3-0 at Barcelona, and they scored 4.
Four.
They
Yeah,
scored
that's what. The same thing happened with these guys also, na? PSG.
Yeah.
PSG
Manchester
or-
United.
PSG and
One of the
United.
first games back from the first games of Solskjaer's reign.
That was when so that was the game based on which they gave him the job.
They gave him the job,
And
yeah.
उसके बाद everything went.
But you know, for me, one of my earliest memories of obviously apart from that 99 season, उसका इतना भी याद नहीं है, but जब भी इटली कौन सा साल जीता? 2006,
Yeah.
2000,
2006.
2006 World Cup.
2006.
2006.
So I forget which of this. I think maybe 2002 की बात है ये. हम लोग
That was
school
the South Korea World Cup.
हाँ 2002 की बात है, and we had come in. This is the game between England and Brazil. Quarterfinals.
Yes, I remember this.
I'm
जहाँ
sure
पे
most
Ronaldinho was
yeah,
chip
most
मारा.
football
Yeah.
fans will know
David
this.
Seaman, yeah.
हम लोग घर पे David Seaman. So what had happened is, for those of you who don't know, बच्चा पार्टी उसने half line से मारा था ना?
Almost half.
Almost
The thing is,
half
it
line
wasn't
से.
even half line. वो ऐसे diagonally throw in line से.
मतलब for if you don't know Ronaldinho,
Google that. Just
Ronaldinho
Google
कुछ
that
अलग level कुछ क्या
And
करता
that
है
was
वो
his
उसको ही
claim to
मालूम.
fame वाला game. That's where it all started.
Yeah. So उसने almost half line से मारा है और डेविड सीमन इंग्लैंड का वो टाइम पे कीपर भाग के आगे आया है, थिंकिंग मैं रोक लूंगा और बॉल उसके ऊपर से जाके गोल के
He was
अंदर
off
गई
his
है.
line. Ronaldinho spotted it. and
उससे बेटर मैंने आज तक
गोल नहीं
कोई गोल नहीं देखा, but at least live while watching it, you know, on TV, वो भी वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम पे करना, it was insane.
So for me, there's several moments. One is that Lampard goal against Barcelona
Yeah, from
the
the
corner.
Free kick नहीं.
No, he was literally on the sideline
it's a
of the D.
zero angle goal.
And he's curved it in behind
He
the
bent it
keeper.
like Beckham.
Oh, fuck, it was insane. And think that, and then of course Champions League final.
Even for me,
Didier
Champions
Drogba.
League that was great. Champions
Didier
League
Drogba.
final-
जैसे बाबा ने खुद ने जाके गोल मारा है.
ऐसे ही फीलिंग हुआ ब्रो, क्योंकि द लास्ट टाइम व्हेन वी वर फकिंग प्लेइंग यूनाइटेड, पहला रोनाल्डो पेनल्टी में स्लिप, रोनाल्डो मिस्ड अ पेनल्टी व्हिच इज अनरियल. तो मैं तो ऑलरेडी गार्डियोला के माफिक चिल्ला रहा है, यार ये तो अपना ही है, क्योंकि आ रहा है टेरी गोल मारने, 100% स्कोर, फिसला है वो ब्रो
How
आदमी.
good it was. Fuck.
That was
How have you
beautiful to
lost
watch.
that champion? So then when we finally won it, I was like, मैं तो नंगा नाचा है for disruption.
For all those of you who don't know, John Terry is the guy you see on cigarette packets.
Yes. That was actually
He's a model for ITC. In his free time,
he sued them later on. Yeah.
better
And
fucking
the weird thing was that I used to look at and I would tell people, bro, ये John Terry.
John
है,
Terry,
पागल है।
Yeah.
हाँ ना, कोई इंटर्न ने सर्च किया होगा white man.
No,
और
no, they
first
must have
photo
searched
John-
X-ray of rib and कुछ तो आया
So
रहेगा.
you're saying John Terry का ऐसा already existing photo था?
100%
उसके
right.
ribs के X-ray का.
नहीं रे, I think I must have been just like some, you know, United fan fucking around.
Yeah.
कि मतलब
The
ऐसे
intern must be a
डाल
United
देते-
fan.
डाल देते हैं, हाँ.
किसी को पता नहीं
तू
चला।
बचपन में क्रिकेट फुटबॉल खेलता था ज्यादा या क्रिकेट खेलता था?
I was cricket until like as I said about 97, 98. So 96 का ना I can name most
the Indian cricket team.
of the other team का players also in the World Cup, cricket World Cup. Like randomly मेरे
So what made you switch?
I don't know. Just I was also cricket is very hard to play alone.
How is football easy to play?
अरे you can
अरे
at
तू
least
tricks कर रहा है.
you kick it at the wall, it comes back to you. No,
अबे तो बॉल फेंको.
that's very.
Depends how desperate you are to play.
Played also cricket का वही एक सीन होता था कि in I was my career was stagnating because मेरा बिल्डिंग में सिर्फ ऑफ साइड डेवलप हो रहा था क्योंकि ये साइड पे वॉल था तो कुछ नहीं, मैं ऑफ साइड में मस्त.
बहुत अच्छा player.
So I'll tell you the reason why I quit playing cricket. Which was that तो मैं खेलता था, if you know जू में वो रितंबरा कॉलेज वो पीएम मात्रे ग्राउंड होता था, वहाँ पे मैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए जाता था. वो माइनर क्लब था अंडर 13, 14 whatever. I used to play. I was fast bowler and I was also a good batsman. The fuck up was that my dad refused to buy me good quality pads for batting. And those pads that I had was so heavy ना, literally like 2 kilos on each side. तो मैं हर मैच में run out हो गया. Coming back for the second run. And after that I was like fuck it, मैं नहीं खेलने का cricket anymore. And
Bro,
then I
उधर
switched.
चंपानेर में हमारे farmers ने लकड़ी लगा के ब्रिटिशर्स को हराया.
Exactly, they had superior technology to the pads that my father bought in 1995.
Kautuk, तू तो cricket बिल्कुल not, तू full football.
No,
like
I
Kautuk
was-
talks about football all the time, so I'm not even surprised he wrote a book which was football
No,
centric.
but I think a lot of me included, like a lot of people were just cricket fans growing up, and then you had a
I don't think you had a choice, no, in this country.
yeah, you don't.
No, so I'll
of
tell you
course,
the
but I'm
reason.
saying what made the switch
I'll tell you what for me it was very clear. I had a crush on a girl in the 7th standard,
Of course.
and she liked
अरे book का
football.
plot मत बता bro.
नहीं, and she liked football, so I was like, अभी करना पड़ेगा यार.
Oh,
तो-
and she like Real Madrid.
No, she didn't. She liked Arsenal. So I started watching football, and then I said ki to impress her, let me try and get into the football team. And I got into the football team.
Oh,
and she was not impressed. so then
अलग अलग स्पोर्ट ट्राई करते जा रहे हो टेनिस चलता है टेनिस
Javelin, shit.
but-
वो मर गई.
I started doing all of this, and then in 2005 I had like a moment of conversion, proper, which was 2005 Champions League final, AC Milan versus Liverpool.
Oh, that game, dude.
That
Fuck.
fucking game,
I was
man.
going to talk about that.
वापस याद दिलाओ ऐसे तुम
Bro,
बोलते हो ना
I'll tell you, I'll
This
tell you.
was an
क्या हुआ?
incredible
So-
game because वो
Yeah.
time पे and this is when I started football, and it was a very weird thing that I was fan of both Manchester United and Liverpool.
Oh yeah, which
Because
you
मेरे को
totally-
Beckham and Owen दोनों बहुत पसंद थे.
Owen, yes, man.
So that game was outstanding because it was 3-0 to
Milan.
AC Milan at halftime. So everyone's like खत्म, done.
Yeah.
Liverpool somehow 15 मिनट में 3 गोल मार दिया, took it to extra time and
Fuck.
penalties पे जीता वो match.
Yeah.
It was
there was
unbelievable.
a-
और
You
Shevchenko
will never
हगा
walk
penalty.
alone.
Shevchenko haga.
Yes, I still
Shevchenko
remember.
Andrei
point blank.
Shevchenko.
Point blank. So that game, it
Jersey
was,
Dudek.
Correct. फिर हम लोग
it was
खरीदा
on,
उसको.
the match was on 26th May. All right, my birthday is on the 27th, and it was that midnight match.
Correct.
So I was watching it as like a pre-birthday thing, right? So at halftime, AC Milan's 3-0 up.
Correct.
Okay, I go and get myself ice cream. Okay, and I'm having it, right? And in that 12 minutes, Liverpool comes back.
Yeah.
Bro, उसके बाद मेरा ice cream पिघल गया है. Because for 12 minutes I haven't touched that motherfucking thing. It was unbelievable, and I remember that's the night.
So now do you buy
I was
ice
like-
cream when like Real Madrid is down?
No,
That's the right
but I had
ice
I had a Diet Coke and white pajamas ka superstition.
Oh.
For a whole season, Diet
But मेरा
Coke,
ऐसा
white
random
pajama.
superstition होते रहते. Like when I do something
Yeah.
where they like United scores after that, मैं like मैं थोड़ा एक opportune moment 91st minute में फिर से ये करेगा if they're still down.
Just in case.
No, Azim is not. Azim is Roots Football League में जब वो फकॉल खेलता था तो यूनाइटेड जीतता था. तो वो जाके अपने
बट एक कॉमन सुपरस्टिशन सबका होता है ना कि यार अगर मैं देखूंगा नहीं ना तो उन लोग अच्छा करेंगे
ये मेरा
मैं क्रिकेट करने का हमेशा
पेनल्टी वाला सिचुएशन है.
हाँ, कि
ये मैं
देखूं-
पेनल्टी के लिए.
जैसे पूरे बेंचो दुनिया की टीम है ना सब रुके अच्छा वरुण नहीं देख रहा ना चल 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 अभी गोल
No,
गोल
for
मार।
penalties, it's just, I think it's just the like the trauma of it because after Ronaldo missed and I was looking, I was like, मैं टेरी को ऐसे देखे. तो मैं ऐसा दे और टेरी फिसला माँ की. I
It
can't
was so
still.
long. I still remember. मैं CRT TV पे ये सब Champions League final.
Yeah.
But I actually remembered right now where my football when I switched to football. So because I had two cousins and both of them were very into football and they went and actually tried out for Watford
Oh.
What?
in UK.
They are very good at football then.
But they didn't get in. I mean, whatever they were trying to get a man like an agent and all over there. तो वहाँ पे नहीं हुआ. Then they came. They played for Mahindra United over here for a while.
damn
I'm
good,
not sure what they're up to. But because seeing them and being like कि अभी ये करने का मेरे को. So I think that was when I started playing.
But still, dude, Watford tryouts is also
Yeah,
a big
it's a
thing,
huge
dude.
deal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
चल, पढ़
चलो,
थोड़ा।
let's
Okay.
get some interesting facts. Before you go, I want to tell you a Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Wait, before that, can I
First
tell
to
you
tell
a
his name
Zlatan?
right.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, Baba just went Zlatan.
Ibrahimovic.
Listen,
Zlatan.
you don't tell Zlatan Ibrahimovic facts. Zlatan
Zlatan
Ibrahimovic
Ibrahimovic
facts tell
Tells
you.
you.
Basically, this is in Soviet Russia, but Zlatan.
No, it's
It's Rajni.
It's
It's
Rajnikant's
Rajni
jokes.
jokes.
Yeah.
It's Rajni jokes.
But dude,
Okay.
that's true, man. That guy is
I'll tell you a story. You
my
tell your
top
facts.
3 players में से एक है forever. Zlatan. And consistently for years, bro. जितने टीम में जाता है.
Zlatan का एक इंटरव्यू है जिसमें वो बोल रहा है कि I'm getting more work now and I'm fucking 30 whatever.
38.
Yeah, so
38.
he's-
Than he
he's
was
ma-
when he was
उसने
getting
भी LA
28.
गैलेक्सी के लिए किया सब किया किल किया आया अब जब भी निकल रहा था ना तो उसका एक फोटो है and he's so cocky right so he's like LA thanks for the memory blah 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 now go back to watching baseball
Correct. अरे dude, when he went to LA Galaxy, he said Zlatan welcomes LA Galaxy. क्या बोल रहा है तू यार? क्या आदमी है?
He's too, and the confidence that you have
Yeah.
to do that.
Because
man.
he backs it up, right?
But
He backs
also
it
at
up.
fucking 38, he's doing bicycle kicks and pulling it. First game, he comes off the bench and
कहाँ
knocks.
से आता है इतना
Hey,
confidence? I don't understand.
you guys, have you seen the Zlatan biopic on?
on Zlatan
No, on Netflix.
No, I haven't seen it.
It's
there's a biopic?
There's a thing on Netflix, and there's an origin story to his cockiness.
Oh,
So he transferred to Ajax, right?
Correct.
And for a while he wasn't playing well, like he wasn't giving the returns. So the press ripped into him. Okay, they were like, "Fuck this guy, he's a young kid, doesn't play well." And after that, he started scoring. Okay, banging them in. Okay, so there's a reporter who's reporting, like who's doing an interview on him, and he's like, "So Zlatan, do you have anything to say to us? You know, you're in terrific form." He's like, "I remember."
No, you know Zlatan's the only player who has scored in 4 decades now. He scored in 99 because that's when he started. So he scored in 99,
Nice.
2000, the 90s, the 2000s, the 2010s, and now he scored in 2020.
वो पहले वो gigs का एक statistic होता था where he scored in every season except his last season.
Except his last
Yeah,
season.
that's the thing. Like every
Oh.
season he would go and score. सिर्फ वो last season में full team like nobody cares about the match. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं gigs हाँ यार gigs. Even he was the manager for his last game. वो खुद को लेके आ गया.
क्या बात कर
Don Bradman.
He came like whatever. I think last game was a game of no consequence.
Right.
40 minutes to go and United were like 2-0 down or whatever. Like तुम लोग छोड़ यार मैं खेलता हूँ.
Testimonial.
और नहीं मारा लेकिन गोल
नहीं मारा बेचारा.
Fucks.
Okay.
So
You have a Zlatan fact before I go.
Zlatan has played for 6 clubs that have won the Champions League.
Yes.
But he has never actually won the trophy himself. So he's played for Ajax, Barcelona, Inter, Juve, Milan, and now Manchester United. I mean, then Manchester United.
Yeah.
And gone back to AC Milan now.
Yeah,
Now back
gone
to AC Milan.
So I was so now this is these are 2 Zlatan stories that are interconnected, told to me by a Swedish DOP who I have shot with, a cinematographer who I have shot with. Okay, so it sounds like it's Zlatan because it is Zlatanable. Okay, so this is what happened. Okay, so Zlatan was jogging in the morning. Okay, and as he was jogging, he saw a house. Okay, so he ran up to the house, he knocked on the door, and the guy opened the door and he said, "You're in my house." And then he bought the house.
Just Zlatan thing.
हॉस्टाइल टेकओवर
So he said, "You're in my house." So this guy's like, "What?" And then he bought the house. Now, in Sweden, there is a rule which says, so he's bought the house, now he wants to build a fence around the house. Now, he wants to build a 10-foot fence around the wall, let's assume, all right, around the house. 10-foot wall around the house, but Sweden law dictates that he can only build up to 8 feet. Okay, that was supposing the law. So he was like, "Fuck this shit." So he sunk his house by 2 feet.
So fucking
दैट इज
Zlatan.
Zlatan.
This
that's
is
so
so
Zlatan.
Zlatan. It's not
Zlatan.
even- क्या आदमी है, legend है ये आदमी, bro.
Okay, about Manchester United, this is a very fucking weird fact. Alright, so before Alex Ferguson took over Manchester United, Aston Villa were more successful than the Red Devils.
Yeah, it's true.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं
Aston Villa.
Yeah, Aston Villa were killing it exam.
अरे there's
Exactly.
Villa, Leeds, these teams are like legendary
Wolves,
teams, dude.
all
हाँ.
these
वो
teams.
Rangers.
Oldham, all these weird teams.
So
Rangers वैसे
Fergie-
QPR.
अच्छा, I thought Rangers Scotland
नहीं,
वाला
नहीं,
Rangers.
QPR.
So Fergie takes over in 1986, at which point Villa had won 7 league titles,
Oh wow.
3 league cups, and the European Cup. United,
एस्टन विला
yeah.
Aston Villa, yeah.
Meanwhile, United had also won 7 titles, but 6 FA Cups, a European Cup, and a Cup Winners' Cup. That's
कप विनर्स
1815.
कप साउंड्स लाइक अ मेड अप
Yeah,
ऐसे कप
no, so Cup Winners'
यार
Cup
कौन नहीं
is-
जीते 8 टाइम्स
अरे Cup Winners' Cup is Community Shield, no?
कप
No, no,
विनर्स
Cup
कप इसमें
Winners'
कौन
Cup
है
is,
सिर्फ मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड
European and
No, it's whoever wins the Champions League and वो time पे जो UEFA Cup, which is now Europa
Oh,
League.
okay, okay.
So the 2 winners of that play
Which is
against
Super
each
Cup.
बेसिकली क्रिटिक्स अवार्ड फॉर दैट ईयर
like they could have come up with a more original name. Like
Yeah.
now they call
Fuck is
it
Cup
the
Winners' Cup?
What
Isn't
do
it
they call
Super
it?
Cup?
No, they call UEFA Super Cup. That's
Super Cup.
Super Cup. चलो understand. Cup Winners Cup. League Winners League.
So good you have to say cup twice.
Yeah, that's why they should have called Champions League also League Winners League.
oh, you know this, right? This fact about Luis Figo. So he transferred from Barcelona to Real Madrid.
Correct.
Right?
कभी भी ना थोड़ा कॉन्टेक्स्ट देख लो अपने थोड़े बच्चे लोग हैं जिन लोगों को शायद मालूम
Luis
नहीं होगा
Figo.
लुइस
correct.
फिगो क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो से पहले एक फेमस पोर्चुगीज गाय था वो था.
बस और उसके पहले था वास्को ड गामा
नहीं, also Eusebio.
तीन बता
Eusebio and एक और था.
लुइस फिगो और रोनाल्डो
So Luis Figo he was part of the Galacticos, the original
Correct.
OG Galacticos, right?
अच्छा, Galacticos मतलब Real Madrid had signed a bunch of superstars which they called Galacticos.
That's right. That's right. Like you know, I always
I
felt
love
like,
how I've become Amazon X-ray for this segment.
so basically when Florentino Perez, who's the president of Madrid, he plays FIFA and he buys.
Not the city, the club.
What?
Florentino Perez is the president
Oh, the
of
I don't
Florent.
think
of the
anybody
football
thought it was the city
Yeah, that was a shitty X-ray. Please delete that fucking
Yeah, apologies. Huh?
that entry. Anyway, so Luis Figo gets bought from Barcelona to Real Madrid. Okay, fucking greatest rivalry ever. They've signed a player. Right, the Barcelona fans were so pissed. all right, that Figo is taking a corner and someone threw a pig's head
Oh fuck.
Like a
onto
severed
the
pig.
pitch. Yes, onto the pitch because they were like, you fucking greedy bastard. पैसा चाहिए ना तेरे को भोसड़ी के.
The best.
You remember this? You remember this thing when Barcelona was having this whole like situation with within Spain where they needed to move out Catalonia.
Catalonia
and
wala.
this. There was this rumor saying Barcelona will no longer play in the Spanish Premier League. They will play in the English Premier League.
Right?
There was this rumor doing the round saying that if Catalonia
Because
happens,
Catalonia's independence.
if Catalonia happens, then Barcelona can't play in Spain because then they're not. So then
They'll
they
get
where will they play?
annexed.
So they will play in the EPL.
Wow.
तो पहला तो सब टीम का गांड फट रहा रहेगा कि मैसी इधर आ गया तो हम लोग के तो लौड़े. तो
No, but Messi would never go to another country.
It's an away match. 5,000 kilometers. Great.
every away game is a Champions League. fucking Astana.
No. So my favorite fan prank that's happened was Ashley Young के साथ हुआ था ये.
क्या,
Remember
क्या?
Ashley Young? It was amazing. Where so United had a Champions League game against Galatasaray, which is that
Oh
Turkish
yeah,
team.
he was there
Yeah.
for a
And
while.
Just
he's-
a second. For if you just pause the video, come back to it. Go watch Galatasaray videos. The home stadium of
लोग का
Galatasaray.
इतना पागल fans
They're
हैं,
mad.
proper-
They burn. There's this like whole like devil sound of like whoo, 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 whoo. And it's like some
very
fucking
intimidating.
one.
My friend told me about the almost same rivalry in Portugal between Porto and Sporting Lisbon.
But इसमें fans पागल हैं.
नहीं ब्रो, भी फैंस ही है, मैं प्लेयर की बात नहीं कर रहा. फैंस की इतना है कि वो ईडन गार्डन में कैसे जला वाला दिया था,
This is-
इन लोग का वो वाला सीन होता है.
worse.
So my friend from university went just to, वो फुटबॉल देखता नहीं, वो सॉकर है, अमेरिकन. He went and his friend in Portugal took him for a fucking game. Bro, riots हो गए थे वो दिन.
ये तो
और
Galatasaray
ये तो
का है.
बीच में बोलता है मैं तो सॉकर देखता भी नहीं. जहाँ पर सॉकर बोल रहा है बोल रही मार खाएगा.
तो ये Ashley Young
मैं
का
तो
सुन.
मोहन बगानो प्लीज.
Ashley Young का
So
सुन.
Galatasaray, so the thing is कि सब Turkish fan ऐसे ही होता है, जो Turkish लोग के लिए is normal, but English cup comes तो उन लोग full गांड फट जाते हैं. And so they came and there's that full atmosphere and all that. So before they came, they were staying in the hotel nearby. So some fans, they found out where they're staying. ठीक है, and then they went to the reception and said कि I'm Ashley Young's brother. मेरे को बात करने का. तो वो उसको phone connect किया and he's like, hey, and he's like, hi Ashley Young, and he's like, welcome to hell, brother. And just hung up.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
ये वीडियो है YouTube
Yeah,
पे
it's a video.
where they're in a car, they've called, hello, may I speak to Ashley? Yes, I'm his brother, he's on hold, ये वो, what's your name, ये वो सब करके फिर फोन करता है. Welcome to hell. और फिर हंस रहा है.
Ashley Young also, you know the other story, no? Where this is a very popular thing, where on the field a bird shat in his mouth. You don't know this? Just put the image or the video of it here. And I have seen this on live TV, okay? Happening. Where I was like, no way, this is, how has nobody else noticed this? Because I tweeted, I have this tweet somewhere, like, did a bird just shit in Ashley Young's mouth where he's running? And not even like, वो ऐसा मुंह खोल के ऐसे. Like, just perfect placement where straight in his mouth and he's spitting it out.
टर्किश पिजन होगा कोई जाते हुए. वो भी
It was the
Galatasaray
most
fan है.
beautiful moment because fucking hated Ashley Young.
Ashley Young bro, सच्ची.
कितना खुश था मैं, literally celebratory story डाला when he got sold to Inter Milan.
So in 1950, Indian national football team withdrew. Okay, so we know this.
Yeah, and then
Because
Akshay
of
Kumar
no
made a
shoes.
movie about it.
Barefoot.
But was this actually a thing where they actually didn't go because of bare feet, or is it like one of those
A
urban
myth,
legend
right? I
things?
feel it's a
No,
myth.
there's a bunch of stories because one of the films that I'd done back in the day, my co-star on it was doing a Bengali film called Egaro. Egaro means 11 in Bengali. And it's about an Indian football team in Calcutta playing against the Britishers. लेकिन अपना Indian public bare feet.
हाँ, correct.
उन लोग खेल रहा है और जीता. So every time when I was watching
तो
gold
कितना लगान
तो
कम
हॉकी
हुआ?
का था ना, नहीं गोल्ड हॉकी का था. एक अजय देवगन का पिक्चर आ रहा है ब्रो नाउ, मैदान or something it's called. I don't know if it's based on the same thing, but it actually happened
It's
where
based on a coach. There's some.
Like if it was like a
Whatever.
futsal World Cup where they play on sand or whatever, then I would understand.
चल जाता, हाँ.
Because even I grew up playing barefoot on the
Yeah.
beach only.
नहीं ये प्रॉपर ग्राउंड पे खेल रहे हैं ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ, जो लोग जूते में और अपन नंगे पाँव खेल रहे हैं. तो टैकलिंग सोच क्या होगा?
अरे just running ऐसे पत्थर, literally strategy has to be 5 पत्थर डाल दो उसमें. हो गया खत्म.
And those days the fields
GG.
also were not great.
Yeah, for sure.
So
Chalo.
okay, this is a hilarious one. So father of former English football players Gary Neville and Phil Neville.
It's called Neville.
Neville,
That's
Neville.
right.
Yeah,
It's
that's
called
right.
Neville.
Neville.
You know that reminds me of that Bonvita quiz contest guy question. That what is Navjot Singh Sidhu's wife's name?
Navjot Singh.
Navjot Singh, not Navjot Sidhu, but basically.
Navjot Sidhu.
Not Singh Kaur होगी
Navjot
वो.
Kaur Sidhu.
But उसका भी नाम Navjot है. Navjot vets Navjot.
I think maybe it was one of those where वो South Indians में वो dad का नाम
पहले होता है.
And if they have
Sumuki
if they
Suresh.
have a kid and they call him Navjot and he's actually Parsi, so he has to do his Navjot, it's another game.
Oh. You leveled it.
Navjot or Navjot.
अरे you should have named at least one of them Neville. So then it's just Neville.
Neville.
It's an accounting error.
Okay. So soccer legend Ronaldinho first got noticed.
Football legend.
क्या भाई
Why are you
तू,
quoting American facts? Kaur?
कहाँ से?
Ronaldinho first got noticed at the age of 13
Correct.
after a 23-0 victory.
Okay.
Where he scored all 23 goals.
No, but that's Ronaldinho का ये scene था because there used to be these videos called Joga Bonito video.
Yeah,
याद है?
yeah.
So
Pepsi.
if you've not
Yeah,
watched
Nike
it,
का
was
was
it-
great, yeah.
Joga
Sorry,
Bonito, it's just
Nike.
Nike
Nike
का
Nike
but
with Eric
there was a
Cantona and all
separate
the
thing
videos.
called Joga Bonito.
Yeah, yeah.
I think, and then Nike came on board. देखने के बाद
Yeah.
it became so popular because these guys are just doing hardcore tricks.
Freestyle,
वो
yeah.
बॉल लेके ठप करके ये मार रहा है, फिर ऐसे चेस्ट पे बैलेंस कर रहा है, नाक पे कुछ अजीबोगरीब कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Bro, can I tell you?
And Ronaldinho's videos in that would be insane.
Yeah.
Bro,
To this date, I haven't seen.
Abhi, recently, Real Madrid's Instagram, they put up a fan-made clip. Okay, so basically the guy is wearing a Madrid jersey and he's doing skills. Okay, the skills are he's dribbling a ball and then he'll just randomly kick it. He'll hit a wall and then he'll go into a dustbin. Okay, again he'll randomly kick it, it goes into a basket. Okay, behind him. Okay, and you're watching this and you're going like, dude, how, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, they
No,
do-
but same thing.
they're
Remember
very
that
good,
Beckham ad? There was there
Yeah,
once.
the-
वो
on the
beach
beach,
पे.
yeah.
I don't think it wasn't.
I
even
think
an
that
ad.
must have been.
You think
That's fake.
I think
I
that
think
must
it's
have been
fake.
fake.
Nahi, bro.
I think Beckham is capable of doing it, but
But like
it was
to
I
do
think
probably-
only Beckham is capable of doing that.
No, to do it in 5 takes before sundown in magic hour, all of these things.
Yeah, because it wasn't a branded video. I didn't see any
No,
brand.
Pepsi का video है.
क्या बात कर
Pepsi
रहा
का video.
Yeah. Yeah, because he
a
picks up a
video.
can of Pepsi and he sips it and fucks off.
Yeah. So if
तो
you have
मैंने
to do
उसके
That
पहले
was,
बंद
see,
कर
that
दिया
was the
video.
original influencer campaign.
Yeah.
if you do it in Magikarp, then you can't expect them to hit because Magikarp is 5 minutes. And if you don't get it in that exposure, बदल के shoot करना पड़ेगा.
I mean, I would not put it past him to have done it. Like they must have
Yeah,
kept as a contingency कि शायद इससे नहीं
नहीं
होगा
होगा
तो हम
तो-
लोग will cheat it.
Post में, हाँ.
But
लेकिन मेरे को लगता है उसने मारा होगा.
In a match between Iran and Denmark, an Iranian player mistook a whistle from the crowd as being the referee's halftime signal and picked up the ball with his hands in the penalty area.
Correct.
Yeah, this happens.
Hilarious.
Wow.
Denmark lost that game, no?
That's right. Danish player Morten Weighorst missed the resultant penalty on purpose and Denmark lost 1-0.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's fucking
That's
sad.
nice, but that's why it's sporting.
That's hardcore. He missed it on purpose.
Yeah.
Ready? I don't
Yeah, he missed it on purpose.
That's what you said,
Yeah.
no? Or
Yeah,
are you
that's
making
happened.
it
I've
up?
seen a
But
lot
that's
of those
happened in
videos.
No.
Premier League
Oh, yeah,
also,
on
they
purpose, right.
purposely, like,
Yeah.
referee
Yeah, where
did.
even the other team was like, नहीं यार penalty छोड़ अभी. They just kick it straight to the goalkeeper and like play.
Yeah. And if Daya is there, he misses it.
Yeah.
Daya in his first season.
And this season.
Oh, this season तो he's okay.
लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सीजन अच्छा कीपिंग किया है.
Yeah.
हाँ बेचारा. Like you
मतलब
have to.
अकेला वो खेलते जा रहा है. वो एक recognizable like comforting
is laughing
face
at the
है.
fact.
I didn't realize how long he's been there. He is now
For
like
so long,
No,
bro.
7 seasons, no?
No,
8.
He's the third highest United goalkeeper of all time with appearances.
What?
Yeah.
Bro, he's tried to leave for at least half that amount of time.
Like I love how
Genuinely.
when they wanted to sell him, they told him, yeah, I was selling you all of that. फिर facts 2 minutes late भेज दिया. They did this on purpose, but they didn't send the facts on time for his transfer.
Deadline
and then he
minute.
was stuck. And you should see, they have a video of him just walking. You know, वो कौन सा वो which show is it where the guy has that sad walk, which became a meme. Arrested Development. Literally just like that, he's walking to training as the guy. Is
But
like,
every transfer season वो rumor आता ना कि डहया जा रहा है कि डहया रियल मैड्रिड
देखो 10 साल
जा
से
रहा
दो
है.
कांस्टेंट रूमर है कि डेहा जा रहा है और वेस्ली स्नाइडर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड में आ रहा है.
Wesley
Oh,
Sneijder.
bro,
यही rumor
ये
चल रहा है.
बहुत साल चला. ये स्नाइडर वाला बहुत साल चला.
And they
स्नाइडर
signed,
रिटायर हो गया अभी भी आ रहा है.
they signed people who sound like him. They signed Snyderlin.
Schweinsteiger.
Schweinsteiger.
उन लोगों का स्पेलिंग गलत
वो ऑटो करेक्ट होते जा रहे हैं.
By the way, there's one video of one of the world's worst corner kicks. Okay, it's by Charlie Adam.
Okay. Oh, he was actually very good, Charlie Adam. with
He's
corner kicks.
usually pretty decent. This one is hilarious. Okay, so he comes to he puts the ball on the spot.
Oh, I remember
comes to
this
take the corner, falls. Okay, the knee hits the ball, then the ball hits his hand.
क्या बात है.
Hand.
हैंडबॉल हो गया. corner
So
से
it's double kick, handball, and this is like the equivalent of driving in one way without helmet.
मैं तुम लोग वर्ल्ड कप में किसको सपोर्ट करते थे? क्रिकेट
World
वर्ल्ड
Cup
कप
में, so my first choice has always been Netherlands, but वो last World Cup में
Netherlands?
qualify नहीं हुआ.
Hey, but why? How?
Because just वो
Johan
total football
Cruyff.
का generation.
Cruyff.
Also
No,
90,
no. Ruud
they
van
were the
Nistelrooy.
first team I supported in 98 because I loved that entire team.
The jersey.
Bergkamp, jersey क्यों? Why so shallow?
Orange jersey,
अरे in the 90s Muslim will like orange jersey.
Even now, will a Muslim like an orange jersey?
So now मैं orange jersey पहनता है for safety reasons.
For safety reasons.
But
Yeah, Bergkamp was there.
it was, I don't know, you had Bergkamp, you had Seedorf, you had Kluivert,
Fucks,
you
yes.
had
Scannon
Edgar
Seedorf.
Davids, you had
Oh, the guy who wore chashmas.
yes,
But they are always like South Africa of football, right? मतलब
they're
बहुत
the-
potential killer
the
players.
almost
You
guys.
almost feel like नहीं ये साल तो उन लोग ही लेके जा रहे हैं.
They've
And
always
choke-
been-
and
so their
choke
peak was
all
2000,
the time.
No, their peak was like 2010, 2014, 2010 when they reached the final. And
Final,
वो,
2010, yeah.
I still remember वो Nigel de Jong का वो Sparta वाला kick.
Yeah.
In fact, उसके ये last World Cup के पहले वाला when
2014.
they did the cross और ये Van Persie का वो
हाँ,
क्या
they
था
finished
bro?
third in that one.
It was insane.
And सब लोग were like fucking Louis Van Gaal third लेके आ गया. He's coming to United. Van Persie के साथ कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा हम लोग ने. But
तू किसको करता था?
So मैं तो वो by virtue of the British crown.
Yeah,
मैं तो England fan
England.
unfortunately.
पहले
But,
से ही क्या?
Bro,
पहले से English
fuck.
fan and then eventually became like now I also support Germany.
I
I've
would,
never been a Brazil fan.
Yeah, I would actually shuttle between वो back in the day Italy and Germany. 2006 World Cup. 2006 World Cup? Italy. तो वो टाइम में हम लोग पंटिंग करते थे ब्रो. तो लिटरली आ रहा है अरे ब्रो आज बैट लगा रहा है गेम है ये वो एंड योर यंग थोड़ा साइड में पॉकेट मनी मिल जाए नेवर फॉरगेट दिस टिप आया है अब मेरे दोस्त को 18 साल की उम्र में टिप आया है
FIFA से.
हाँ टिप आया है कि इटली
Sepp
जीत
Blatter
रहा है
खुद ही कॉल किया है.
कि इटली जीत रहा है एंड थ्रू दैट वर्ल्ड कप आई
तभी
बेट
तो
ऑन
मिशेल
इटली
प्लेटनी था तो पॉसिबल भी है.
नहीं वो टाइम पे मैंने हर गेम में इटली pretty much won all their games that world cup
No, so the thing is that they started off very badly.
They started badly. Yeah.
They
No,
were
I think
drawing
after
all
second,
their
third round, they
matches,
won
1-0.
everything.
After I think they lost I think only their first game.
They lost their first
but
game
they-
for sure.
they-
कानेवारो को बहुत मिला था तभी.
This happened to
almost-
Spain as well in the 2010 World Cup. Where they lost their first game and then won everything else and won the
So
cup.
that World Cup, whenever I'd bet on Italy, जीत रहा था और हम लोग दोपहर को लंच के लिए वो टाइम पे उधर गए थे लियोपोल्ड और लियोपोल्ड में खा रहा तभी जेब में बहुत पैसे नहीं थे तो अरे बीफ चिल्ली ये वो ऑर्डर कर दिया दोस्त का फोन होता ब्रो टिप आया आज इटली जीत रही है तो लिटरली मैं बोला वो कैंसिल कर देना beef chilli, क्योंकि उतने पैसे और मुझे ना पूरा अमाउंट चाहिए तो मैंने कैंसिल करा ब्रो इटली जीता
हाँ.
फिर एक आई थिंक सेमीफाइनल मैच था नॉट सेमीफाइनल क्वार्टर फाइनल जस्ट प्री क्वार्टर
Which was against Australia. I
उसमें
still remember
टॉटी ना ऐसा उंगली डाल के पूरा ये भागा है ब्रो आई हैव पुट द मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी आई हैव एवर पुट इन बेटिंग ऑन दैट गेम
That was just-
Hey, but,
they were down ना
yeah,
they were
they were
down to
down.
come back 2-1 up or
penalty,
some
वो penalty
penalties
हुआ.
में
I
गया
still
था
remember who considered Lucas Neal left back था Australia का. He's because so what happened in 2006 World Cup ना steadily every team that I would support would get eliminated. ठीक है. So I was going.
happened
with,
in this
हाँ,
for
so I
this World
started with I think in that because मेरा Netherlands था नहीं, Croatia भी नहीं था वो World Cup में. So those are my top two teams. फिर मैं इंग्लैंड में गया इंग्लैंड नहीं जीता इंग्लैंड आउट इन द ग्रुप स्टेज ओनली फिर मैं पोर्चुगल पे चला गया पोर्चुगल आउट फिर जर्मनी चला गया जर्मनी आउट फिर वन मोर ब्राजील पे चला गया ब्राजील आउट देन आई वाज लाइक ऑस्ट्रेलिया बचा है चलो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को सपोर्ट करते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया आउट देन इन द फाइनल आई वाज लाइक फ्रांस एंड इटली हु द टू टीम्स दैट आई हेटेड आई वाज लाइक मैं फ्रांस को सपोर्ट करेगा बिकॉज़ आई हेट देम लेस देन इटली और वो लोग भी हार गए
उन लोग भी
But that was the Zidane headbutt.
Yeah,
Oh,
that was the
yeah.
headbutt.
My one more thing. The English team. We've talked about this before.
Penalties.
The English team. No, the English team with this in the midfield. Lampard, Gerrard, Beckham, and Scholes. Has not won with and up top they've got Michael Owen and they've got
You know why? Because they had Emil Heskey.
Yeah.
Arey, no, but-
Chutia was there.
no, but look at their thing, dude. Look at that and their
Was Sol
even
Campbell.
Ashley Cole,
Rio
John Terry,
Ferdinand.
Rio Ferdinand, Gary Neville. ये टीम के साथ तू कैसा नहीं जीता है वर्ल्ड कप ब्रो?
bro even the last World Cup that went पब्लिक काफी एक्साइटेड था कि नहीं इंग्लैंड
they started, no, we are-
It's coming home.
It's coming.
But this World Cup, they actually played well.
They did.
At times,
played
though, they were
very
very
well,
bad.
bro.
Bro,
They
by the way,
played well also
this
because
World
of that.
Cup, this World Cup, they won a penalty shootout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What more do you want from an English team?
No, but they also lined up differently. They played differently. मस्त किया काम
हाँ,
bro.
they
Southgate,
played
Southgate,
modern
मस्त
football.
किया,
वो
हाँ.
लोग वो time पे मतलब वो route one football. So the thing is that they were playing route one football in that team. So midfield was being
But that
bypassed
was
only.
also because Gerrard and Lampard and all, they were just so used to playing against each other.
Yeah.
They were not playing with each other, right?
There's a very nice video Sky Sports का YouTube पे है. There's a clip.
Where Lampard is talking and
No,
Lampard
so
and Gerrard are
both
talking.
are there,
Yeah.
and they ask them point blank कि what the fuck happened? Like तुम लोग क्यों नहीं किया? And one of the reasons was that I was playing for Chelsea, this guy was playing for Liverpool, and नहीं जमता था because we were
play
title
styles
winning.
were also different.
Playing styles are different. Plus, like I think they one more thing they said, which was I forget. There's a very nice point, but just check the video out. It's on YouTube on Sky Sports. Lampard, Gerrard
Yeah.
talking about England.
Yeah.
There's a really one other really nice video. Jermaine.
Defoe.
No, the other guy. Jermaine.
Genius.
Jermaine Genius.
Genius by name, genius by nature. मेरा
Oh.
commentary याद है वो. When he had scored a goal. Genius by name, genius by nature.
Bro, so Sky Sports has been calling these old players and asking them brutal questions. Okay, just point blank. Okay, so they got this guy on and they said, "Hey, why didn't your career work out?"
Wow.
Okay, and this guy sitting there giving an honest answer, a fucking great answer. He says, "So here's what happened. Okay, so I used to play for Newcastle United, and when I used to go and train with England, right, my level used to get raised because." Gerrard is passing to me. Lampard is passing to me.
Correct.
Then I went back to Newcastle.
And Santiago is passing to me
Yeah, and-
from goal.
अरे fuck that. Newcastle का दो player pitch पे झगड़ा कर रहे. You've seen that video?
Yeah.
This actually happened.
But North England में और क्या expected है?
Where Genius was part of this team, I remember. I still remember the two players. They were Lee Boyer and Kieran Dyer.
Yeah.
These two guys, match चल रहा है. Then suddenly referee stops because दो Newcastle का players are punching each other in the middle of the pitch.
Wow. You
क्योंकि डायर ने पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया.
No, but football without fights is not football, especially like football hooligans, right?
Yeah.
What,
Wayne
what,
Rooney.
what are some of your favorite football movies? Like there was this one movie, na?
Goal.
गोल
Santiago.
नहीं वो तो गोल था एक था which was
Dhananathan
about
goal.
वो तो चूतिया पिक्चर है वो चूतिया वो विवेक अग्निहोत्री ने बनाया था ना वो पिक्चर
I don't know if it was him, but I know it had John Abraham and Arshad
Arshad
Varsi.
वो लास्ट था उसके बाद वो बोला चल मैं भी राइट में ले रहा हूँ अपनी गाड़ी और मैं उधर ही रह के मैं कंस्पिरेसी फैलाऊंगा
बोल क्या बोल रहे?
there was that movie yaar it's about football hooliganism
Green Street.
Green Street hooligan
Yeah,
Green
Green Street
Street hooligan bro it is probably one of the best fucking football
Elijah
movies.
Wood is playing a
Elijah
hooligan.
Wood is in it.
Fucking
Correct,
hell.
correct so the movie is
नहीं
less
देखा मैंने,
about
हाँ.
football it's a West Ham और किसका rivalry के बारे में है ना
Yeah, I forget.
West Ham and someone's rivalry it's one of the best movies you'll watch bro football related
That
it's about
and
hooliganism.
But I
the
really-
Damned United. Have you seen the Damned
Damn
United?
it, मतलब Manchester United.
No. This is based on Brian Clough. He had
Clough,
he-
Nottingham Forest days.
no. So he had 32 days where he was manager of Leeds.
Okay.
Okay, and it's about what happened on each of those 32 days that made him leave the club.
So this is a documentary.
which is that other Shaolin Soccer देखा है क्या
Shaolin Soccer was great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
much
has
fun
anyone
to watch.
watched it? Have you finally seen it? The city the city
No, I
documentary
still
on
haven't
Amazon. Watch it. It's pretty good. And Pep knows there's a camera around.
The
Yeah,
one
yeah.
that I really liked.
come on you have to do it
And he's like on the floor and he's
but
begging
लेकिन
the
but
players.
then Pep at Barcelona
हाँ.
बहुत फटे था bro like when you watch him like
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
talking about appearance wise हाँ वो उसका coaching style वो सब बाद में but there's something about watching Pep coach a team I used to really like him
Yeah.
and then वो
हाँ वो
Klinsmann-
properly
Klinsmann किसका
हाँ
था?
dumb charades कर रहा है.
Jurgen.
Jurgen Klinsmann ना
Germany.
Germany का
But Guardiola का तो वही है ना. Why the fuck are you in your D? Go that side. Just go attack. Why the fuck? Why don't you have the ball?
Yeah.
Why don't you have the ball?
What do you mean you're a keeper? Come on.
फुटबॉल विदाउट मेंशनिंग इंडिया नहीं कर सकते अपन थोड़ा एक इंडिया के बारे में मेंशन तो बनता है
You know the first
Why
time
are
I-
1.4 billion people not being able to produce 11 players?
क्योंकि हम
It's
लोग
always
beef
a
नहीं
question
खाते.
that people keep asking.
क्योंकि हम लोग बीफ नहीं खाते.
People,
Also,
people keep
mostly-
asking this.
देखो mostly I think जगह नहीं है खेलने को.
हाँ मतलब कितना निग्लेक्ट करके ऐसे मतलब
नहीं, because like you look at a place like Bombay and
Bombay
all, like
में
so
तो नहीं
northeast and all, वहाँ पे जगह है मस्त, मतलब mountain है and all that,
छत्तीसगढ़
but
में
लेकिन
बहुत
हाँ,
जगह है, dude.
हाँ, छत्तीसगढ़ में है but वो
आइवरी
सेफ्टी नहीं
कोस्ट
है
में
ना.
किधर है उधर से तो आ रहे हैं ना लेकिन प्लेयर यार
हाँ पर वो लोग को मतलब open field मिल
So
रहा है.
there's three systemic problems. If you want me to geek out on it, I can tell you.
Geek.
Which is there's three problems, three big problems. One is we've never had glory. As a result, India as a cricket nation also till '83 we were
Hey, fuck. Sorry,
so-
just to build on this point, can I tell you one anecdote which is there in Ramchandra Guha's book?
Yeah, India after
Gandhi,
Yeah.
right? So what happened was Indian football was decent. Okay, Mohan Bagan, all of these
Correct.
places had a
बिना जूते के जीत रहे हैं bro
they had a following, right? Like passionate
Still do,
following, right? Then what happens is in '81, the color TV comes to India. The color TV comes to India, right? And Indian fans, they see football from around the world, and suddenly they get disappointed.
By how
Yeah, कि अरे अपन क्या कर रहे हैं?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
no,
it's
it's
like
true,
North
right?
Korea.
Yeah, and then 2 years later, the Cricket World Cup is won by Kapil Dev.
Yeah.
And company. So basically, what happened is that you started seeing that, oh shit, our football is not that great. But at the same time, you see that our
perception
cricket is
issue हो गया.
amazing. Yeah.
perception
But like
issue.
so like hockey you're seeing India
Yeah.
win and you're not seeing like amazingly wow quality hockey anywhere else, so like chalo hockey
Hockey.
देखेगा.
So and that's also the reason for the decline of hockey, right? Because if you saw, if you see hockey and football, their trajectory,
National sport है, bro.
We were okay, you know, and we were great at hockey. We were decent at football. Not even decent. We were playing
Like we
football.
should have qualified for like one World Cup.
At least by now.
I think we will I think 2 World Cups we should in the next 2 World Cups.
Because अभी grassroots level पे I think lot more coaching
Lot more-
academies have started.
But you
Like
need a
there's root
generation
football
of
league.
players.
Azim is a coach. Bunch of my friends have teams. Then you see this because the passion is there. Like I know fiercely passionate football
Yeah.
fans from Matunga. ठीक है? United लेकिन रहता Matunga में. So that's where it starts, right? Where that fierce support and then eventually sort of translating it to.
So one is glory. If you don't have glory, you have nothing to look up to, and therefore kids are not following it. You need an entire generation of people to actually play the sport before you become fantastic. Like you look at Indian cricket, 1983 World Cup. We've not won after that for fucking till 2011. Right?
But still the craze was there because एक बार जीता है.
एक बार जीता and consistently 87 में शायद जीतेगा. Then the whole India-Pakistan rivalry sort of made it work. So 87 नहीं जीता, 92 हम लोग अच्छा खेला पाकिस्तान के साथ जीता हम लोग, पाकिस्तान के साथ जीता.
That
Whether
was
it
the
was
main
the
thing for World
30
Cup.
साल तो वही चल रहा था.
then if you look at then when in the early 90s in the late 90s sponsors started putting money in.
Yeah, you need money.
So once the money started coming in, the facilities got better. Even now, so even in the Northeast, for example, you're playing on real grass fields.
Yeah.
You're not playing on curated grass fields. So the ball is not, I mean, we don't even have the right balls to play. Because
No pun intended.
because so I'm saying from an infrastructure problem, from a coaching staff, etc. problem. What happened with Atletico and क्या अपना India Atletico de Kolkata?
ATKT.
Now which is called ATKT, by the way.
And
Because
then merged with Mohan Bagan. You know this, right? It's called
Mohan
ATK
Bagan or
Mohan
East
Bagan.
Bengal?
Oh, ATK Mohan Bagan. So what happened with Atletico was Atletico became Atletico de Kolkata became Atletico Madrid's feeder club. Okay, to a point where in 2 seasons they backed out. They were like, क्या चल रहा है bro?
क्या feed कर रहा है?
held Liverpool players, Liverpool academies have come to Pune and tried to train coaches and stuff. There is intent, there is enough passion, but there's no fucking money, dude. There's
Yeah,
no
and there's
money.
also like you need better management. Like for example, there's a there's a rumor right now going around that United have signed a deal to come and play a friendly with East Bengal. Okay.
Yeah.
And
But it won't be the real
Yeah, but then
United
they'll
team.
send like वो under 23s,
Sure,
under
It's that
18s.
Argentina. there
They'll
was one-
send their all fuck all players, Martial,
Rashford.
Rashford,
So-
Lingard,
so
all those.
Argentina sent
Lingard को
a
भेजा मैं जाएगा ही नहीं मैच में. Fuck.
Argentina sent a team to play against.
When everyone thought कि fuck Messi आने वाला है,
yeah,
Messi आने वाला है.
so they sent a team. Dude, हम लोग 11-0 हारा है bro.
और मेसी था भी नहीं.
और नहीं, it wasn't even like a legit Argentinian. Like it was
They
an
were just
Argentina A also.
Argentinians.
Yeah,
They were
they were just.
Yeah, they're like हम लोग फुटबॉल खेलता है अर्जेंटीना से आओ
हम लोग 11-0 हारा है bro. मजाक नहीं है वो.
Fucks.
Because I'm saying, but now we're doing so much better. Like if you look at when we did the Asian Cup, right? Not
We
the
won
whole.
recently against somebody, right? I remember seeing a post. Sunil
We've
Chhetri
done
ka.
decently well with Saudi Arabia. Also, with Saudi Arabia we lost, but we lost.
Qatar was a draw, I think.
Qatar was a draw. Not Saudi Arabia. One more team we lost to, but it was incredible that we lost only 1-0.
Yeah.
Not for any other reason, but because
चलेगा
holding
slowly
that-
slowly तो improvement हो रहा है. So here's hoping that there's more money, sponsors, and this put
Oh,
towards
sorry, fuck.
football, and we get to watch our own team.
One last thing I want to talk about Indian football is that video that Chhetri put out.
Yeah.
If you saw that video, it was
Yeah.
fucking beautiful.
Very
So
heartfelt. And then people showed
Man,
up
he's,
after that.
he's genuine fucking amazing player. सब लोग गांड मरा के कर रहे हैं
Bro, he's
without
in- by the way-
with having like 100 the support that a cricket does.
Also, by the way, we
if
heard
you're able to
about
do this, it's a big deal.
There's apparently
He's-
one woman football player who's become the first Indian to represent like play in the like English football division. She's signed for QPR. if I'm not wrong.
Queen's Park Rangers.
Indian
Queen's Park
female
Rangers.
football player.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Wow.
We've read about this, so if you can find
Crazy.
out more
Well
about
done.
that.
fuck. But you know the amazing thing about that video in particular was that he was honest enough to say that yes, we are not as good as the
Correct.
teams we support.
Correct.
Yeah.
But if you don't support us, we're never going to get there.
Never gonna get there. Yeah,
So
for sure.
that's the one line that you need to fucking remember. That
And
you,
I mean, honestly, being football fans also, I mean, I'm guilty of not supporting the Indian team.
Yeah, as
Of
much
not
as we can.
watching the Indian
Yeah,
football team. I mean, मैं post match में देख लेगा कि score क्या
हाँ,
था.
ऐसे किधर जाके-
वैसा. I won't watch a game. I mean, sure, I'll watch one-off games that are you know that I get to know of that are high profiled in that sense.
Like India playing
Because
Argentina.
you're used to you're used to seeing the football at the highest standard, your
Correct,
Champions League, your
yeah.
Premier League, La Liga, all of that. So then
India didn't lose to Argentina. It was a club. It was Mohan Bagan.
Where is it from? India.
Uh,
Akshay Kumar, can you please make a football movie? तो सब लोग
अच्छा
ज़्यादा
ये
support
इंडियन
नहीं
लीग में भी ऐसे आधा ब्राजीलियन रिजेक्ट ब्राजीलियन लोग आ जाते हैं जैसे एवरी सेकंड ब्राजीलियन प्लेस फॉर
डेल पियरो आया है ब्रो एक टाइम
निकोलस अनेलका आया है ब्रो. निकोलस
बट ऑल
अनेलका.
लाइक पास्ट देयर प्राइम
प्राइम.
Very
बट
much.
अभी भी निकोलस अनेलका मेरा एक दोस्त है जो 4 सीजन.
निकोलस अनेलका तेरा दोस्त है?
मेरा एक दोस्त है जो 4 सीजन्स के जिम में वर्कआउट करता है. ठीक है.
काफी specific दोस्त है.
तो तभी निकोलस अनेलका आया था एंड द सीजन वाज ऑन सो दे वर स्टेइंग देयर और समथिंग. सो निकोलस अनेलका हैज कम टू द जिम. So this guy has probably walked in about 5-10 minutes after him. Anelka is running on the treadmill. Okay, this guy has finished his workout. So it's about an hour. Anelka is on the treadmill. Speed is increased. He's still warming up.
अरे बहन.
fucking your friend is shocked कि अरे यार पॉलार्ड इतना भाग रहा है क्यों
क्या रेसिस्ट जोक है ब्रो
So I'm saying.
बिकॉज अपने यहाँ के पब्लिक चूतिया है इसलिए मैं
So,
racist joke नहीं बोल रहा मैं
but
mentality बोल रहा हूँ
bro, seriously, like it's their fitness is of another level. Like I was
I was
just
seeing, so somebody told me that when the like Premier League players they do their training sessions and all, they do it with weights on their legs.
Yeah.
Like they put like 2 kilos
Like
of
जो
weight.
जीता
like
वैसे
आमिर
सिकंदर.
like आमिर खान
जो जीता. Aisha Julka is putting. So he wears weights and then he cycles and Aisha Julka puts a
वो
hand out of
वेट्स
the
भी नहीं
jeep.
पहनती वो सॉक्स पहनता है और उसके अंदर वेट्स
No. He ties it. He ties it.
पत्थर घुसाता है
पत्थर ties into a rumal and puts it around his thing.
हाँ लेकिन वो सब्जी का वेट था
सब्जी का weight है. And then Aisha Julka randomly during the thing in the montage of the thing just puts this outside the jeep. So nobody's understanding what this 4 number is, what this 5 number is.
gear change
No, I think it's
नहीं,
lamp.
gear change.
Oh, it's gear change because that's why Top Gear.
Yeah.
Call back.
पूरा चल एक फनी फैक्ट था ना तेरे
Hey,
पास
also, there was this thing where Mourinho was supposed to be like for that when he didn't
ISL.
have a job. When he didn't have a job, they wanted to just bring him as mentor to the
अरे
to the
fuck,
ISL.
I just
टू
remember
वे टू द आईएसएल
Yeah, just for just to
ब्रो इससे वो होने से कितना ये क्रिएट
Hello Balu. Hello Balu.
So I remember this thing when Robinho signed for Manchester City. Okay, so it was a last minute signing on the deadline day almost. And for all this time, okay, Robinho's agents have been telling him, you are signing for Chelsea. Okay, so he comes to the press conference. He's like,
चूतिया बना रहे थे?
yeah, no. They were just telling him, you are going to Chelsea for sure. And then that deal didn't work out. And City signed him.
Correct.
So he goes to the press conference and he says, great to sign for Chelsea.
You also remember this legend Rivaldo. Remember those?
अरे रोनाल्डो रिवाल्डो तो उन लोग की जुगलबंदी हुल फॉरगेट एक तो दोनों इन
Those are the only two names that anyone knew in the 90s.
yeah रोनाल्डो रिवाल्डो रोनाल्डिन्हो
Yeah.
रिवाल्डो रोनाल्डिन्हो
Are you just quickly before you go to that fact, and this is the final thing I want to ask, like, are you if you look at traditionally your favorite football players of all time, where are you? Because I was very surprised, like when I thought about it, for me it was defenders, dude. For me it's been like if I look
Never.
at it, my favorite players, like I'm a fan of Cafu, Philip Lahm, John Terry. Like, I mean, of course I love Lampard. Of course I love, like, there are these guys who I like. I liked Camoranesi, who was a right back. Like, I'm not like my affiliation towards these guys are all.
But you know, adding to this, अपन ISL की बात करें, we didn't touch on it much, but like ISL obviously has that one boost that you needed, right? So much so that I was in Croatia on a holiday. और मैं और मेरा दोस्त, we were going from this place called Split to a place called Novalia, and we had the most खड़ूस बेंचो टैक्सी ड्राइवर, खड़ूस सिगरेट पी रहा है, सिगरेट नहीं पी, गाड़ी रोकना नहीं, सुसु करने का नहीं, सुसु करने का, ऐसे सब चल रहा है. बट ओनली होप, मतलब चले भी क्रोएशिया के बीच में फेंक देगा रास्ते पे, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. तो वी सेड चलो जाओ जाओ जाओ, ऐसे इससे बात करते हैं कुछ. मैंने बोला यू वॉच फुटबॉल? यस, लव फुटबॉल. आई वॉच ISL.
Oh,
मजा नहीं, मम्मी कसम ब्रो, ये
I'm assuming
क्रोएशिया
because
में
Wait, one
a lot of-
second. So-
No, I'm
बैठ के-
assuming a lot of Croatians are playing here like that. I'm
नो
assuming.
ही जस्ट वॉच, वो ISL भी देख रहा है, वो क्रोएशिया का भी जो
Fuck, so-
लोकल है वो देख रहा है, वो UEFA देख रहा है, वो प्रीमियर लीग देख रहा
So that's
है,
what-
वो कप विनर्स कप देख रहा है.
वो सिर्फ football से
मेरे
प्यार करता है.
दासवानी अपार्टमेंट्स का अभी तक उसने
Roots football league.
सब देखा है. Dude, it came to a point where the only way I could pacify him, I'm like, एक मिनट, ये क्रोएशियन है. तो मैं सीधा मांडजुकिच, राकिटिच,
Just take your
ऐसे
favorite
ना-
player and add it.
पांच नाम बोले.
Ronaldic, Rivaldic.
Bro, वो गाड़ी चलाते ना पीछे देख लिया उसने, कि अरे इसको मांडजुकिच, राकिटिच, वाह वाह वाह, मॉड्रिच.
तू केरला ब्लास्टर का बोलता तो और एक्साइटेड होता ब्रो.
I am Vijay.
Sing.
Okay. Okay.
Seeing passes to sing, passes to sing.
All right. Are you ready for this one?
Yes.
This is my favorite one in the whole list. All
तो
right.
always undersell,
बहुत
overdeliver.
नहीं
Yeah,
नहीं
dude.
ब्रो, हमेशा ये बहुत सही फैक्ट है और ये मैं हमेशा हाइप करूंगा. रेडी? ओके. So in a football game in the UK, okay, it was cancelled shortly after it began due to heavy fog.
Oh, I know this fact.
Everyone left except goalkeeper Sam Bertram, who didn't hear the referee and guarded his goal in silence for 15 minutes. Before a policeman came and told him of the cancellation.
Fuck, तो उसको क्या लगा कि सब फॉग में खेलते जा रहे हैं उधर, और कुछ आवाज नहीं, फैन सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे.
क्या हो गया मैच
It mustn't be one of those games. Must be a university game. But वो फिर भी उधर तो 11 प्लेयर चिल्ला रहे ना.
अरे ब्रो, लेकिन तू यूके में कोई भी फुटबॉल गेम देख, तू लीग हो, तेरे बिल्डिंग में हो, या तू इंटरनेशनल लेवल खेल रहा हो, फैंस आर ऑलवेज येलिंग. सडनली व्हेन यू हियर नोबडी चीयरिंग, यू डोंट हियर योर प्लेयर्स सेइंग
नहीं तो
एनीथिंग.
बॉल बहुत दूर गया उसको लगा.
You don't see your player.
कि fog से ऑडियो भी स्टॉप हो जाता है.
Bro, if he was for Manchester City ना, पेप फिर भी दिखता उसको.
तू क्या कर रहा है सर? फॉग है, चल जा आगे, जा आगे.
Motion blur.
but पुलिस चलो.
इमेजिन उसको क्या शॉक होगा कि उसका डिफेंडर आ रहा है.
This is David De Gea and Kepa's life right now. कि डिफेंडर बॉल ब्लॉक कर रहा है. Suddenly बॉल दिख गया क्योंकि छोड़ दिया चूती है.
This is where the question originated. कि Can you do it on a cold, foggy night at Stoke?
Super भारी reference. And on that note,
Okay, on that note, before we go, favorite football player of all time?
Cafu.
Kafu, one football player you hate.
Zuma, fucking what is wrong with you?
No.
I thought he's the reason for your divorce and shit.
One football player I hate. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है रे.
अरे ठीक है, मतलब पर्सनली, मतलब उसने तेरे को कुछ पर्सनली नहीं किया है.
No, but
बाबा,
like I'm just saying
तेरे को उसका फुटबॉल नहीं अच्छा लगता है. जैसे आशीष नेहरा फकवाल बॉलर है वैसे.
ओ वैसे तो फिर रोनाल्डो ना, क्योंकि गांड मारा था चेल्सी का ना.
हाँ, लेकिन क्या, बाय द वे, मैंने रोनाल्डो को देखा.
मैंने भी live देखा
तो
उसको.
अपन ये बात करते हैं पहले. एक
मैंने
मिनट,
भी
before-
Champions
Wait,
League
one
live
second
देखा
before you
उसको.
start. Ronaldo versus Messi, where are you guys?
In the middle.
रॉसी और मेनाल्डो.
Both.
Can't
Can't
select,
single?
bro. Can't, मतलब
I would
दोनों
still go
अपने
with
अपने level
Ronaldo
में.
in his peak versus Messi in his peak.
Yeah, why?
Just he was a more complete player.
Yeah. Plus more
मतलब वो
versatile.
फुटबॉल भी करता था,
Modeling भी करता
मॉडलिंग
था.
भी, और
No, but
गिरने
yes,
का
he was
एक्टिंग.
more like he could do all the like the dribbling, this that. He could pick the pass, he could do the shot, he had the pace. He also had the athleticism, the height,
Yeah.
the bicycle kick.
Bro
all of
क्या
that.
नॉन ऑफ फुट जंप मार के हेडर मार रहा है bro.
So we've had this conversation often, which was Messi is just raw talent, right? Like Messi is almost Sachin, whereas like if you look at Ronaldo, he's like the
Kohli.
Virat.
He's Kohli.
Yeah, you know, like he's trained, he's worked so hard. He has talent, of course he has talent, but वो उतना talent नहीं है जितना मेसी के पास है, जो बस निकल गया है
Bro,
with his goddess.
एक ये था, you know, remember the old Ronaldo, the
Fat Ronaldo.
Fat
Fat
Ronaldo,
Ronaldo.
the
Brazilian
El
Ronaldo.
Fenomeno.
Yeah, who by the way, according to Mourinho, is the best player he's ever seen on the pitch.
So there was a fucking great anecdote about him training. Okay, so he's training for a match and थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग करके छोड़ दिया. ठीक है, पब्लिक ट्रेन कर रहा है जोर से, and someone looks at him and he's not training. So they asked him कि क्या हो गया? Why are you not part of this? He's like, you should never overwater a plant.
Like, oh, have you been speaking to Zlatan?
Sound like a Zlatan thing.
Mask nikala Abbas Mastan. Actually, मैं Zlatando.
This is brought to you by Abbas Mastan. Okay, on that note, that's it from this episode of the Internet Set. So obviously a topic as broad as football cannot be spoken about in 1 hour.
So for the remainder, watch 442.
Because
This was
also
cross
the game is
promotion.
90 minutes long. तो कैसा football का बात?
No, but yeah, so these were some interesting facts, stories, etc. that we found. If you know any, let us know in the comment section. Azim, thank you so much for coming here. And obviously watch their podcast 442. It's on the EIC channel,
Yes,
right?
EIC channel.
Yeah, for all your football goss and wants and needs, these guys will serve you.
karega.
Kautuk will talk to you about football anytime. His number is 9820. Alright, that's it for watching.
Red
Thank you
card.
so much. See you
Red
guys
card.
next week.
Red card.
Red card.
Bye.
Bye.